let's explore the newly constructed Northwing of SMCD CDO Uptown. With the construction of the Northwing, a 4-level building that will soon connect to the main mall, SMCD CDO Uptown has grown bigger, better, and more exciting. Over 8,000 square meters of gourmet dining and retail space, it added to the 63 additional leisure spaces of SMCD CDO Uptown. With this, Cagayanans are in for more great shopping, leisure, and entertainment, a new lifestyle destination for Cagayanans, visitors, and tourists of the city. So, what are you waiting for? Tara, let's meet up at the Northwing of SMCD CDO Uptown.
Hi everyone, please subscribe to Architect Studio by Architect Gerald Patrick Haraya. Congrats, Gerald.